This will move the DC motor and generate electricity. I have used a water pump to pump up the water on the roof of house. It's just a model, but in real life it saves the actual and have a peaceful day.
Thank you, Devi. Very nice. So this will generate electricity also, is it?
वाटर हार्वेस्ट करने के बाद आप ज़मीन में भी डाल सकते हो बेटे, ऐसा भी कर सकते हो, या स्टोर या बचा सकते हो घर के ऊपर। क्या बेटर रहेगा? हाँ, ज़मीन में डालना या घर में बचा के रखना?
Power supply, a jar fixing.
And what are you going to do? How does it work?
It works like when I put some water,
पानी कहाँ से जा रहा है बेटे? नीचे से जा रहा है? हाँ,
No, I have connected copper plate and wire to this plate.
और जोर से बजेगा। हाँ, how are you converting the level of water to electricity? वो कभी पढ़ेंगे? Okay.
At different levels she has that. She has a connection there and the third level she has a connection there also.
बताओ।
Good morning. My name is Krishna Chandra from class 10 and the project name is hand massager. The material used to make the hand massager are gloves, small size vibrators, waste paper, gloves and tape. The basic concept used to here is vibration, which are generated with the help of small vibrator which runs on battery. Vibration relax the tired muscles, so I will use the hand massager to relax myself and my family. When I touch the wire, the current passes through the wires to vibrators, which enables the hand to vibrate.
Show us.
वाइब्रेटर है कहाँ बेटे? इसके अंदर है? अच्छा, ये
Under that. Show us.
अच्छा।
Can you massage us?
When I touch the wire, now touch it.
अच्छा, इस
You can feel the there.
दोनों में लगा रखना आपने। हाँ,
Brave boy. Okay, so now I put my hand underneath it. Ah, nice, nice.
Good morning. My experiment name is I Shashwat from Modern School is presenting my experiment. The name of my experiment is Solar Bulb. It is you buy some lights. The materials required are a transparent bottle, a cardboard box, a scissor, glue insulating tape, water, and one bottle cut into half. Take the water, transparent bottle, and fill it with water. Then take the cardboard box and paste some pictures in it so it to make it more attractive. Then make two holes, one on the top and one on the side. The side hole should be small and the top hole should be bigger. And the smaller hole is a peep hole. Then take the transparent bottle and insert in the cardboard box through the top hole. Then fix all the edges of cardboard box so sunlight do not enter in the cardboard box. Then take the bottle, cut it in half, and cover it with dark sheet. Then I request you can
Go and have a look, Asa.
visible outside the bottle.
Let's
See from the peephole. Then the inside part is dark, and when I remove the inside part is brightly lighted. What you see, we observe that when we cover, the inside part is dark, and when we remove the inside part is brightly lighted. Principle. It works on principle of refraction of the light. The water refracts the light and disperses in all directions. Application. It is used to light up the houses in slum areas, and areas where houses are dark even in the day. The advantages of the solar water bulb is it is not expensive. It is a clean and green method of conserving energy. It is a maintenance free. The disadvantages of the solar water bulb is we cannot use these solar water bulbs in the night. MIT students have developed and designed, and My Shelter Foundation is distributing these solar water bulbs to poor people in Philippines. These solar water bulbs light up the house of millions poor people. How many? It provides 50 watts of light.
50 watts, okay.
So the water is dispersing that whole light from the sun, basically. Good.
The one extra one.
Good morning, beta. Later. Sir, won't you come? Huh?
My name is Sai. I'm from Alpine Controls grade 3rd. Here is my project generating electricity from waste materials. Today we are concerned about our environment, about shortage of electricity, and about rising price. Seeing a lot of waste accumulated in my school, I thought of making a project where I can utilize the waste to generate electricity. And I have read in Pune that a colony has used 5 tons of waste to generate electricity to light up street lights. Now have a look at my project. I have 2 metal strips with me. One is aluminium strip and the other is copper strip. Connected to a voltmeter, which tells how much voltage is produced. Put these strips.
बेटे इसको थोड़ा अंदर कर नहीं ये स्टफ है अच्छा
This we can use electricity. Have a nice day.
बट वेस्ट पूल में क्या हो रहा है बेटे जिससे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आ रही है?
So ये इस पे
नहीं
इलेक्ट्रोलाइट है, इस पे इलेक्ट्रोलाइट है और ये जो है इसकी गुड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के गुड कंडक्टर्स हैं और ये इलेक्ट्रोड्स हैं और ये इनको हेल्प कर रहे हैं कि इट पास थ्रू देम।
तो सारे वेस्ट मटेरियल में इलेक्ट्रोलाइट होता है या कोई सिर्फ?
कुछ में नहीं होता, कुछ में
इसमें होता है
इसमें टीवी होता है और
Please have done a bit of research.
टीवी ऑफ वेजिटेबल्स पे भी होता है।
वेरी नाइस पिक्चर।
Siphon and turbine system. Siphon allows liquids to flow up off the surface to water. Liquids down the tube under the pull-up valve without any external aid automatically. It works on two principles. Water in longer tube tends to come down because of gravity. A vacuum tends to be generated at the top of the tube which pulls the water up in the shorter tube, so continuous flow is maintained. Also, the energy of water due to higher level, that is, potential energy, can be converted into electrical energy by using a machine like pelleted wheel water turbine and generator. This model can be used in small hill villages to generate electricity very cheaply. This model I made for my own things, like a box from my mother's kitchen and a tube for my nebulizer and a broken sketch pen and a broken scale and a wheel for my toy car and a motor for my remote control car and some thermocol. Now I'll show you how it works. I blew in this tube and as soon as the water entered this tube, I saw it going. The water is coming down continuously because of siphon effect. As soon as the water passes the tube, the generator generates electricity.
और बंद करोगे तो नहीं आएगा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी।
No, we want a more high level to generate electricity. I'll tell you its advantages.
डेली लाइफ में बेटे साइफन इफेक्ट कहाँ नजर आता है आपके घरों में?
Hill villages.
हाँ?
In hill villages.
नहीं, आपकी सराउंडिंग में कहाँ साइफन का यूज होता है? घर में या होता है? आपको आइडिया है? हाँ?
Think about it. Where do you think you have siphon? At home?
कोई बात नहीं, एडवांटेज बताओ, बता रहे थे ना?
It does not pollute the environment. It uses natural renewable resources. It is easy to install. It does not require large sum of money. Its control is easy. Simply shut the valve at lower end of siphon. It makes the village self-reliant. It is safe and does not require to install electric wires over the hills and can be maintained by village people. This is a chart about how we can drink water and generate electricity in the village. The glaciers melt and a lake is formed and the water falls on the turbine and the generator generates it into electricity. Thank you.
थैंक यू बेटे।
So you need to do your homework and find out where in day-to-day life you have siphon, right?
बेटे एक मिनट जरा। हाँ?
Just
On magnesium and electricity, I have this dynamo which contains a magnet which can change magnetism to electricity. When the busy traffic and the roads will go over this road, lights will start to burn. Due to friction, the lights will start to burn.
ये क्या होता है बेटे? कार ऐसे जाती है तो क्या होगा?
Due to friction, lights will move.
फ्रिक्शन से तो ये रोल करेगा ना, लाइट्स का क्या बीच में कैसे आ गया? हाँ,
Due to magnetism.
ड्यू टू मैग्नेटिज्म। अच्छा, ये क्या चीज़ है?
This is a dynamo that contains a magnet.
तो उसको घुमाने से
It changes into electricity. With the help of the electricity, the lights start to move.
So if there are no cars, the light will not come on. So the cars have to go continuously on that.
or you can store somehow the electricity somewhere, huh? So that you can continuously, you need the lights तो आपको continuously चाहिए होंगे ना बेटे, हाँ? So you have to maybe store the electricity somewhere. It's a nice project. Mini generator, huh?
Morning sucks.
Yeah, Mr. Good morning, huh?
My project name is electric heater. So से कार्बन रोड्स है, जो बैटरी होती है 1 पॉइंट से, जो बैटरी होती है शेल्स, उसमें से जो कार्बन रोड्स होते हैं उसे निकाला हुआ है, उसे जो कार्बन रोड्स है कार्बन रोड्स से 1.5 के हैं, जब से हमसे ये ऐसा वाटर गर्म होगा, जब हम इसे हाथ लगा के देखेंगे तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी
समझो नहीं बेटे, आप उसको पानी को गर्म कर देंगे, हाँ, और फिर करंट फ्लो करेगा, हाँ। अच्छा, तो आपने कोई बल्ब नहीं लगाया उसमें दिखाने के लिए, हाँ?
ऐसे हाथ लगा के
वो तो पानी गर्म हो जाता होगा ना बेटे, हाँ, और फिर उसकी बिजली फ्लो कर रही है, उसको कैसे हम
समझ पाएंगे, वो कैसे समझेंगे कि बिजली जा रही है उसमें से? वो पूछ रहे हैं सर।
आपने हीट कर दिया इसको पानी को, हाँ, फिर उससे बिजली जनरेट हो रही है, ये बता रहे हो आप ना बेटे, हाँ?
मिनी जनरेटर
मिनी जनरेटर।
Yeah.